música de Harry Fraud.
Hi guys, it's Nate and I'm going to do a bike check. Vans Colt grips, Colt bar ends, S&M bars, I don't remember what rise, Odyssey Lincoln stem, got the FSA headset, Fit forks that came on my Fit Eddy 2, Demolition Momentum tires, and Demolition Zero rims, and Bulimia front hub, and I have a Bulimia front hub guard and shadow peg. Oh, and gold valve caps, volume drifter frame, and raw, of course. Animal Hamilton pedals. Just stock cranks are kind of crappy. Merit sprocket. Shadow interlock chain. I think it's V2. Same wheel setup except the hub is Rolls V1. I got S&M hub guard, shadow peg. Oh, I didn't mention the seat. Colt seat with a Colt seat post and a Demolition bottom bracket. Okay guys, hope you liked it. Thanks.